So, dear friends, today I am in the Department of Human Ecology in IPB University, Bogor, Indonesia. Professor Siti is with me. She is basically working in this department, and today I just want to come here to have a courtesy call to ma'am. And ma'am is so kind enough that she shared some things like the case studies which she made during the past for different cultural activities which are going on here. So ma'am will speak about this. What is there? Ma'am, first your name, and then you will please share some of your ideas.
Okay, I'm Siti Amana. I am an associate professor in extension and development communication at the Department of Communication and Community Development, Faculty of Human Ecology, IPB University. Here, I just with my friend completed the weekly meeting named Rabuan. In IPB, all of the department and also working unit, we have a weekly meeting on Rabuan, called Rabuan, and we talk about not only educational activity or program, but also research and community outreach activity. So in this occasion, I would like to share one of the work that I have done with the colleagues from IPB University and also from Ministry of Agriculture and 1 and 2 students in postgraduate development communication and extension about investing in farmers through public-private producer partnership, an assignment from Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO), and also with International Food Policy Research Institute in 2020. So I'm very happy to share with you one of the report. This is the case study in Indonesia, and the second is all of the case study around the world, 9 countries, led by Christine David from IFRI. So with this case study, we optimistic. We are very optimistic that agriculture and also environment and farmer welfare will be transformed to a better situation in the next few years.
Basically, friends, today I am here just to meet Ma'am Siti. As Ma'am Siti is with one of my friend, Dr. Bharat Bhushan. They both attended one course in Netherlands. And he always used to speak about ma'am every time, that ma'am is very cooperative, she is extending all the help during whatsoever communication they have. So he asked me just to pay a visit to ma'am, and I just called ma'am in the morning, and she is in the this department, and came here just to say hello from him also. So ma'am has given this bag.
Souvenir.
This is a souvenir for me and Dr. Bhushan, that we will carry this bag everywhere in India just to promote IPB. Because from this more than 1 month here, I found that we are having a lot of similarities in India and Indonesia. So we have to work together for the future development. And that's why ma'am is so kind enough that she shared 2 of the project, I can say publications, and she asked me that just you keep it for your people who want to, if in future they want to develop some collaborations, or we will have some collaborative projects regarding these studies, so we can work on it also. So ma'am, so kind enough for you, so that you have given your valuable time to me, and one souvenir from Dr. Bharat Bhushan for you also.
Yes, because this is in 2016 I visited Jammu, and then
this is from Dr. Bharat Bhushan. This is for you. He sent this especially for you. Yeah, and from 1 month I am keeping it with me. So yesterday I think you sent me the number of ma'am. He knows that if I got your number, I keep on disturbing you. So you don't send me earlier. So yesterday he sent it to me.
It's okay.
So thank you ma'am, thank you very much.
Yes.
And so nice of you. And one thing which I want to share is that ma'am has discussed about the one program on every Wednesday. Each of the department in IPB, they used to sit together for their future planning. What sort of research activities they have to do. That program is known as Ruban. And every Wednesday in every week they have in morning Rabuan in the morning 10:30 to 12, because I too attended 2 programs in agronomy and horticulture last 2 weeks. So I know that it is a very good initiative that all the faculty members, they sit together, they discuss the future planning, they discuss what sort of activities they have to do for the growth of the department. So ma'am, this is a very good initiative from all of you, and once again my thanks to you.
Yes,
and terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Shukriya. Shukriya.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste.
And actually, I visited Jammu in 2016.
Okay.
Where in an international conference on
Okay.
resources management there in 2016, and then we still what we call it connected with Barat Busan, and he has had opportunity to be one of the lecturer in our summer course in 2020.
Oh, summer course of
And then after 2020, this university received fund from USAID.
Yeah.
USAID to cooperate with IPB.
Yeah.
And then based on that, between Jammu and IPB signed the
MOU.
Okay, so
In 2022 we have MOU with the IPB.
In 2022. Actually, before that, in early 2020 or 2022 in the middle, the delegate from India will visit here in IPB, but because of Corona and also some restrictions, so the visit postponed, and then now Professor Basik visited Department of Horticulture.
Basically, ma'am, in India we are having one program, NAHP, National Agriculture Higher Education Policy.
Okay.
In that program, it is a World Bank funded project. In that program, they are sending students and faculty members to different parts of the world to have exposure of what sort of activities are going on.
Yeah.
20 of our professors this year, they are nominated for different countries like Australia, USA, Denmark, and some European countries. But I chose Indonesia.
that's good.
Why?
Because everybody is asking me why. Because I am the head of fruit science. I am head of division of fruit science in SCA Jammu, and my only aim for choosing Indonesia is that I have to expose my students to tropical fruits. And for tropical fruits, no other choice is better than Indonesia. So that's why, ma'am, I am here, and I am very happy that I have chosen very well placed. I got lot of exposure here, and in future also we have lot of collaborations.
Okay.
I even delivered 4 or 5 guest lectures here.
Okay.
Even in one of the journal, I give my services for evaluation of paper.
Okay.
2-3 papers of the Journal of Tropical Agriculture.
Okay.
So in future also I am looking forward, and even in future I hope that me and Dr. Bharat Bhushan will come in this department also.
And talk about communication, extension and also extension.
Yeah.
So we are looking forward.
Yeah.
to-
And in future, ma'am, also I am hopeful that if you are writing some project or anything, we will collaborate.
Yes.
Even in Indonesia as well as Indian situation,
Yeah.
we will have
Yes,
some
case
study.
cooperation.
To have
Yeah.
some case study there.
Yes, join writing.
Yeah,
together.
Yeah.
Because we
Some-
need
yes.
co-author from different
Yeah,
countries.
yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's
So-
good. So make it happen then.
Yeah.
I'll make it happen.
Sure, ma'am.
We looking forward.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. No, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for Muhammad Basir. Thank
And
you for
good
you,
luck.
Adik, Kodi.
Yeah.